Hey everybody, good evening. So let's talk a little bit about law this evening, just a few small things. Now, I am not an attorney, I am not giving legal advice, just sharing a little bit. So do your own work. For those of you new to Black's Law Dictionary who are interested in learning a bit about law, that's a great book to start with. So who here is familiar with what a human being is in Black's Law? Let's read a little bit. Black's Law, a human being, an entity, such as a corporation, that is recognized by law as having most of the rights and duties of a human being. Also, are you familiar under that with what a monster is? Let's read that. Monster, although born of a woman in a lawful wedlock, cannot inherit. Those who have, however, the essential parts of the human form and have merely some defect or coformation are capable of inheriting if otherwise qualified. So people who think that you are free, have you looked up what a free man is inside of Black's Law Dictionary? Have you ever looked at your mail or looked at your birth certificate and wondered why your name was written in all capital letters? Let's read a little bit about capital letters. Let's look at this. Corporations are spelled with capital letters. This is right. Your name is in all capital letters because it is a corporation set up for you by the United States Corporation. It is because no free-born American would ever trade their time, labor, or energy for a currency with no value in and of itself. What is a free man? Unconstrained, having power to follow the dictates of his own will, not subject to the dominion of another, not compelled to involuntary servitude, used in thus sense as opposed to slave, not bound to services for a fixed term of years, in distinction to being bound as an apprentice, enjoying full civic rights, available to all citizens alike without charge as a free school, available for public use without charge or toll as a free bridge, not despotic, assuring liberty, defending individual rights against encroachment ability any person or class, instituted by a free people, set of governments, institutions, etc., etc., and also insists with an honorable degree in life. A free service in a feudal law confined to the persons possessing instead of being shared with others, as a free fishery, not engaged in a war as belligerent or ally, neutral, as in the maximum, free ships, aka free goods. Have you guys done your homework?